Today's video is 13 things you should not do for sustainable weight loss. So if you'd like to see what I've come up with to help me lose over 100 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a video on some things I have learned not to do in order to lose weight for a sustainable amount of weight. I've lost over 100 pounds on the Weight Watchers plan, and today I'm going to share with you 13 things you should not do when you're trying to lose weight. Number one, don't buy food that tempts you. In fact, you should not have it in the house. I know in my case, if it is there, I will eat it. So if you don't have it, don't buy it, don't have it, and you won't be tempted to eat it and possibly sabotage your weight loss journey. Number two, don't guess on measuring your portions of food. Be as accurate as you can, whether it's a teaspoon, a tablespoon, a half a cup, 5 ounces, whatever it is. Get a food scale and measuring spoons and measuring cups to help you maintain your portion control, because that is very important on keeping a weight loss journey going, so you don't get off track, and you just keep measuring and tracking those foods. So make sure you don't guess on measuring your portions. Number three, don't make big goals. It will be overwhelming, especially if you have a lot of weight to lose and you're setting yourself really big goals and you don't hit them. It may have a negative effect on you. So set smaller goals. You know, if you have to lose 100 pounds, don't say I'm going to lose 100 pounds or that's my goal. Say my goal is to lose 5 pounds, and it'll give you a positive effect on your thinking and your mindset for your weight loss. Number four, don't skip meals. You may feel that if you skip a meal, it's going to help you in getting less points and less calories. But in actuality, when you skip a meal, it will not make you overeat a lot of times. Now, I'm not going to say every time, because there is intermittent fasting that some people like to do. But when you do skip a meal, you'll feel more hungry, and that might cause you to overeat. So the best thing to do is to eat 3 meals a day and try to keep them filled with protein foods that will keep you full and stop you from snacking. Number five, don't eat mindlessly. Don't take a bag of something and just eat it straight out of the bag. When you open the fridge, make sure you have a plan for what you're getting out of it. When you mindlessly eat, it causes you to make choices that will not be helpful to you, and it will just it'll kind of make it harder for you to stay on track. So when you're eating, have a plan. Don't eat mindlessly. Number six, don't start on Monday. Start today. Start right now. When you start on Monday, you'll overeat on Sunday. I've found that through experience. Believe me, just start today. Don't start on Monday. Number seven, don't self-sabotage yourself. When you're self-sabotaging, it will give you things to not stay on track. Rationalizing that, oh well, you had a bad morning, so you're just going to cheat the rest of the day. That is a self-sabotage. Sometimes you work so hard in the day to stay on track, and then at night you're binging. Why is that? Why do we self-sabotage our diet? Some self-sabotaging behavior is like closet eating, where you eat and you hide your food you're eating, which I know I have been known to do in the past. Or if you're an emotional eater, where you're eating because you're sad or you feel bad and you just feel like the food will help you. You don't want to keep on your program because you feel like you're going to failure. All those things are self-sabotaging, and they're no good for you. So don't self-sabotage. Find ways to help you get over these self-sabotaging things that will be an obstacle in your diet journey. Another thing that you should not do is don't make excuses. It's not going to help anybody if you make excuses for the foods that you're eating or not eating. Just don't make those excuses. Just realize that you may have made an unhealthy choice and get back on plan. And the excuses are not they're only gonna, in your mind, rationalize it and make you feel better, but they won't help you lose weight. So don't have excuses. If you do cheat or go off your plan, don't feel guilty. It's not going to be a straight down journey. Weight loss is up and down. You'll have good days, you'll have bad days, you'll have gains, you'll have losses. So if you find that you're having one of these days, if you cheat or make a wrong choice, just don't feel guilty about it. Just don't. Don't drink your points. Drinking heavily sugared sodas and fruit drinks are something you shouldn't do, because those sugar drinks are loaded in points, and you're not getting any protein from them or anything that will sustain your appetite and your food. So just don't drink your points away. Another don't I like to follow is don't eat out at restaurants a lot. I know occasionally it's okay, but when you're eating at them a lot, you'll find that food is cooked in a salty or higher sodium, and you'll retain water and gain weight, and the restaurant foods are just not good for you. So don't eat at restaurants as much as you can. Don't sit down when you can stand up. Don't park close when you can park far away. Don't think that every little bit doesn't help, because it does. Every little thing you do helps for weight loss. So don't take the easy way out. The most important don't you should do for weight loss is don't quit. Whether you're having plateaus or struggles, just don't quit. You'll find more success at your weight loss journey. And I have one more bonus tip for you to don't do. Don't ignore your cravings. If you have a taste for some food, eat it. That's what your points are for. WW lets you eat whatever you want. Just eat it in portions and count for it and track it, and you'll be good to go. So don't ignore your cravings. So I hope you enjoyed these 13 don'ts you should do on your weight loss journey. Please comment below if you have any other don'ts for the video that can help me or help someone else. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.